It's not uncommon for possums to wander onto your property in search of food, water, and shelter. Possums can cause damage to your property and even health issues. So in this video, we'll go over how to trap possums using professional live animal traps. If you'd like to shop the professional products in this video and learn even more about live trapping, click the icon on the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. It's important to first identify your pest animal. Knowing which animal you're dealing with will help you decide which bait to use and where to place your live traps for a successful capture. Possums are nocturnal marsupials that look almost like large rats. They typically have gray fur with a distinct white face, long whiskers, and a hairless tail. They can vary in size, but most adult possums are around 20 to 36 inches long and weigh about 4 to 15 pounds. If you think you may be dealing with possums, look for common signs that indicate possum activity. Possums can be found on properties foraging for food. First, check any garbage bins you keep outdoors. An obvious indicator is if the bin is tipped over, but you can also look for trash in the surrounding area. Possums are attracted to strong scents, so if you've thrown something away recently like old meat, that may attract possum activity. Possums will also eat pet food if left out overnight, so check for missing food or disturbed bowls. You can also check for any fruit or vegetable plots for eaten or chewed plants, as possums will vary their diet. If you keep chickens, frequently inspect your coops. Possums will attack hens and consume their carcasses and eggs. After confirming possum activity, possums will be attracted to stronger smelling baits like canned fish or meat. You can also try fruits like apples or bananas. Before trapping, make sure to put on your personal protective equipment or PPE, especially gloves, not only to protect yourself when setting the trap or releasing an animal, but it will also prevent you from transferring your scent to the trap or bait, which will dissuade possums from approaching. Make sure your live trap is of appropriate size. A trap too small won't catch the possum, while a trap too large may offer the animal an opportunity to escape. In order to maximize our chances of catching the possum, we need to remove the food sources that may compete with our bait. This includes sealing trash cans, picking up pet food after dark, fencing away fruit and vegetable gardens, and sweeping up any fallen fruits, berries, and seeds. Place your trap far away from human or pet activity along the edge of your property. Physical boundaries like fence lines, dense foliage, and garden edging make great placement guides, so place your trap in these areas. If you've noted any food or water sources the animal has access to, you can place your trap closer to those. It's important to make sure you place your trap in the shade, as a trapped animal can die within a few hours if left exposed to the sun. Once you've placed your trap, weigh it down with a brick or cinder block. Aggressive foragers like possums can knock down your trap, rendering it useless. If you're dealing with a possum indoors, you can set your trap near hotspots in the garage, attic, or basement. A possum inside a building is likely to travel along the walls for their own comfort, so be sure to set your trap parallel to the structure. Once you're satisfied with your trap placement, you can bait and arm it. When baiting your trap, it's important to put the bait at the far end of the trap behind the trigger plate, so that when the animal comes in to feed on the bait, it'll activate the trigger and be trapped. Check your trap twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Constantly being near the trap or checking it often will potentially dissuade possums from approaching the trap. Be sure not to keep an animal trapped for more than 24 hours. Once you've captured the possum in your live trap, place a towel over the cage to avoid frightening the animal. Be sure to contact local authorities like animal control to confirm laws in your area about animal trapping and make sure you are correctly relocating the animal. Travel to your release location, which should be about 20 miles from where you caught the animal. Place the trap on the ground, facing away from you, and open the trap. After you successfully used your live trap, there are a few preventative measures you can take to make sure you don't have another possum problem. Maintaining a clean area indoors and outdoors is an important step to take. Keep trash outdoors in sealed containers. Remove any clutter or debris from your property, as this could be used by animals for nests or burrows. Regularly check the property for spots that retain water. Any potential food source, such as pet food, should be properly sealed in a container and stored away. Prevent possums from entering your property by sealing any openings you may have found along the perimeter or foundation. Any voids, damaged screens, windows, and doors should be repaired as soon as possible. Possums pose a risk to our property and health, but we can humanely control them with professional-grade products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. These products will help you safely remove possums from your property, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. If you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.